Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the health benefits of beets and beet juice. These vibrant veggies are more than just a pretty color. They're packed with nutrients. First, let's highlight some key benefits. Nutrient powerhouse. Beets are rich in vitamins A, C, and B, along with essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. Heart health. The nitrates in beets can help lower blood pressure and improve circulation, supporting your heart. Anti-inflammatory. Beets contain antioxidants that fight inflammation in the body. Digestive support. With their high fiber content, beets promote healthy digestion and regularity. Now, let's whip up a quick and tasty recipe. Beet and berry smoothie. Ingredients you will need: 1 small cooked beet, peeled and chopped, 1 cup. Mixed berries, 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk. Ice cubes. Blend the beet, berries, banana, and almond milk until smooth. Add ice for a chilled treat. This smoothie is a delicious way to enjoy the health benefits of beets. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Thanks for watching. Pour and enjoy.